Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you rotate any photo which you want. So we will move on to this gallery. So let's begin. In my gallery, this is my photo which I want to rotate this. So in this my mobile there is no option to rotate directly. So we will use here one app, there is Picart. So we will be opening this photo with Picart, and here by going on tools you will see your flip rotate option. By clicking there, and we will click on vertical. After that we can see it's rotated, and after that we will click this option and save it into our gallery, and like this we can get our photo rotated. Thank you for watching.